Alright, we got this meat shredder with an upgraded removable sieve. And this is from Klavehn. Anyway, we got it on Amazon. I will link it below. Here's the box, and we're getting ready to give it a try. Here's the product. We did wash it prior. And then it has the little tray that actually pulls out so you can remove the chicken easier. Alright.
Oh, and it's pointy.
It's very
pointy.
pokey.
It's very pokey.
Wait.
Oh, excuse me. Alright.
Alright, go ahead and give us a demonstration. We'll see how it does, hopefully.
Alright.
Hopefully well.
We gotta cut this in half because it does show on the pictures you want to put it around, not right in there.
Right, not in the center.
Let's see. Yeah, here's the back side. So you want to do pieces around the core and then, yeah, okay.
Alright, we've got the chicken cut up and putting it in the machine. See how it goes.
There's a massive chicken breast right there. And then twist.
How's the grip on the counter?
Oh yeah, this one's got a lot better grip than the other one. The other one we had to do on the table. And as you see, the chicken's not gathering up on the edges like the other. And when it is, it's pushing it out by these little blades. And we like ours shredded into little pieces. So.
Yeah. I think it shredded it quite nicely. Go ahead and take the little tray out so they can see it pull up. And then bam, there you go.
A couple pieces fell through the center, but that's...
Yeah, I'd say so far
the winner.
It's a good one. I will link it below. If you've tried this brand of chicken shredder, let me know what your experience was with it. And if you have not, do you like shredded meats? Let me know down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!